According to this passage, when Khrushchev backed down, all of the following happened except A. The United States withdrew its ships, B. He received a promotion, C. The Soviet Union removed its missiles, or D. He was ousted from office. Let's begin by locating where in the text we see Khrushchev backing down. We see this in the fourth paragraph. Finally, Khrushchev backed down. Because our question focuses on what happens after he backs down, we'll need to look at the sentences that follow. Keeping in mind that our question is asking what didn't happen, let's go through each choice and see if it can be backed up in the text. If it can be, it's not our answer. A. The United States withdrew its ships. We see this directly in the passage. The United States withdrew its ships. Because this can be backed up in the text, we can mark it as incorrect. B. He received a promotion. Nowhere in the text do we see mention of Khrushchev receiving a promotion. In fact, we see quite the opposite. His backing down cost him his power. He was ousted as the leader of the Soviet Union. Because this opinion has no backing in the text, it is likely our answer, but let's go on just to be sure. C. The Soviet Union removed its missiles. This too we see clearly in the text. The Soviets removed their missiles from Cuba. This can be marked as incorrect. And D. He was ousted from office. As we saw before, Khrushchev was ousted as the leader of the Soviet Union. Because this can be backed up in the text, this can be marked as incorrect, and B. He received a promotion can be marked as our final answer.